Did you know that if you are a Squarespace Circle member, you can actually save a page from one website to your account and then use that page on another website? Now, this is great if you are a Squarespace web designer or if you happen to have two websites. This is something that we used to rely on a third party paid tool for. So the fact that we can do this now is amazing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check and see if you have this feature, and then if you don't, how to get it. Now, the first thing to do is to check and see if you are a Circle member, because moving pages from one site to another, being able to save those in your account is only available for Circle members. So first, let's check and see if you are a Circle member. If you log into your dashboard here inside of Squarespace and you see Circle here, member, platinum member, you'll see a circle icon here. It's all over the place. If you got a Circle forum button, then yes, you are a Squarespace Circle member and you can do this. Now, if you aren't a Circle member, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to become one. But if you are a Circle member, here is how you save a page to your account and use it on another website. All right, here I am in my Sway template for service providers. And what we want to do is let's look at the contact page. This is a page we use on sites all the time. So if you have one set up and you're like, this is how they usually look or pretty close, you don't have to start from scratch anymore. Now let's go ahead and under pages, let me show you how to find that. When you log into your Squarespace website, you're going to see a menu like this. Click on pages, and then you'll see all the pages on your site, both things that are in the main navigation and pages that aren't. Now, we want to save contact to our account, this entire page, not just sections. That's something we could do before. Now we can save entire pages, which is really cool. To do this, we're going to click this cog icon, scroll down, and there is a new option here to save page to account. Click that, and now you can give this a name. So I'm going to say this is contact page, and then I'm going to put Sway so I know what the styling is, and save this. Now let me show you how we're going to find this later on the other site. Okay, this is a random Squarespace template. Now I'm going to go into pages. Let's say I want to add contact here in the main navigation. So I'll go to main navigation and click plus. If you're not ready to add it there, you'll add it under not linked and then drag it up later. So let's go ahead and click plus, and we're going to go to saved. And here is our saved page. Now you'll notice it looks different, right? The fonts are different, the colors are different. It's applying this template styling to that page for you, so you don't have to do that, which is great. Okay, I've added it. Now I can drag it where I want it to go. And you'll see this template already had a contact page. I'm going to go in and just update the URL slug here to old, disable that one. And then for my new page, I'm going to come in and make sure this just says contact instead of -1. And when I click on it, here you go. And then you can style it further from here, add more things. But this is just a game changer for designers or anybody that operates across more than one website. Even if you are a DIYer and you have started a new trial and you want to get pages from your old website into that new template, this is how to do it. It's so simple. And like I said, we used to have to rely on a paid third-party tool for this, and we don't have to do this anymore. Now, there are a couple of caveats. First of all, it does not work for collections like blogs. If we go here, there is no save this to your account. Programs is a portfolio collection. We also can't save that to our account. But any pages, so for example, this home page, we could go here, save page to account. So it only works for regular pages right now. My hope is that it will roll out for collections in the future, but right now it's only pages. If you need to move collections, that third-party tool that I mentioned is the way to do it. And I'll drop a link below to my video on exactly the steps you take if you are moving a blog or portfolio or any type of collection. I'll drop that link below. The other thing that I mentioned earlier is that you have to be a Squarespace Circle member. Now, if you are not seeing this here, you're not seeing Squarespace Circle when you log into Squarespace into your account, then what you need to do is sign up for Circle. So you'll just go to squarespace.com/circle. I'll drop that link below as well and click join now. And once you are a Circle member, you're going to get all of these benefits below. Now, if you are curious about the Circle program and all of the benefits that you get when you become a member, I will link the video somewhere over here and just click on that and watch it next. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.